Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 inflatable kayaks available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best inflatable kayaks. The 5th product on our list is the Sevylor Big Basin. Looking for a fun way to spend quality time with your family and friends? Or do you want to escape from the noise around you and enjoy some quiet time alone? The Sevylor kayak isn't a bad idea. With the Sevylor Big Basin inflatable kayak, you can take your time to connect with nature without any worries. This inflatable is made with heavy-duty PVC, making it ideal for lake use. It also has a rugged tarpaulin bottom that provides durable protection from punctures. It can accommodate up to 3 persons with a combined weight of 490 pounds. No matter how far you explore, the adjustable seats ensure that you stay comfortable throughout the ride, while its spray covers block water splashes and keep you dry all through. It has an airtight system that guarantees no leakage during your water adventure. If any leakage occurs, the multiple air chambers of this NMMA certified kayak will help you get back to shore. The carry handles on the side adds to its portability, making it easy for you to put it in and out of the water. Inflating and deflating this kayak is easy and convenient too, thanks to its double-threaded Boston valve. Its pros are: it is long and spacious with a versatile cockpit. It can hold up to 490 pounds of weight. And it is durable and can withstand impacts and abrasions. However, it is not a complete kit and lacks a lot of accessories. Sevylor Big Basin is a high-quality, spacious, inflatable kayak. It is perfect for tall people who struggle to be comfortable in a standard inflatable tandem kayak. Up next in the 4th place is the Airhead Montana. Perfect for camping, vacationing, exploring remote areas, and cruising yachts, this inflatable kayak provides you with the adventure you seek. It is lightweight, compact, and portable, making it fit easily into your duffel bag, suitcase, or car trunk. The Airhead Montana inflatable kayak is made from semi-rigid heavy-gauge PVC with durable tri-laminate reinforcements on the bottom that enhances its durability. Its bright orange color offers safety and visibility, while its spray covers ensure that you stay dry. This model features inflatable seats with adjustable support backrest with a mesh pocket, low drag, and effective tracking with 4 bottom fins. It also has grab handles for easy put-ins and takeouts, neoprene elbow guards for comfort when paddling, and a tubular I-beam floor for superior comfort, buoyancy, and tracking. Its 3 air chambers are completely enclosed by rugged 840 denier nylon and UV and water-resistant coatings, while its 3 Boston valves with nylon covers make the kayak easy to inflate and deflate. Other features include non-corrosive stainless steel and nylon hardware, 6 D-rings at bow and stern for tightening the gear, a threaded drain hole with plug, and a stretch net in bow low drag. This inflatable kayak can accommodate 2 persons with a combined weight of 500 pounds. Its pros are: setting up the Airhead Montana is easy and straightforward. It is easy to store, and it has excellent stability on the water with decent tracking. However, the cons are: it takes a while to dry off, and it does not have a pump or paddles included. Be at peace with nature while you row along the lakes. Airhead Montana is a versatile kayak that makes your adventures exciting while staying perfectly balanced on the water surface, even if it gets punctured. Still haven't found the inflatable kayak that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Sea Eagle 370 Pro. The Sea Eagle 370 Pro inflatable kayak is perfect for both beginners and experienced paddlers. Its lightweight, stability, and portability are commendable. Despite weighing just 32 pounds, it is designed to accommodate 3 persons with a combined weight of 650 pounds. Still, it can be transported and used by 1 adult. Built with a toughened polycrylar with a high-frequency welded seam, you can go on your paddling adventure with your dog, as this material withstands even dog paws and claws. Moreover, the Sea Eagle features an I-beam construction floor for extra rigidity. There is also a comfortable, adjustable, and removable inflatable front and rear seat for improved back support. It also has lashed-down inflatable spray skirts and 2 skegs on the bottom for better tracking and speed. Lastly, it has rear rope handles, a self-bailing drain valve, 2 paddles with asymmetrical blades and aluminum shaft, a 5 Deluxe one-way inflation-deflation valve, a foot pump, and a bow and stern grab line. This kayak is NMMA certified and can withstand Class 3 whitewater. The package comes with a pressure gauge and repair kit. It takes about 8 minutes to inflate and assemble the kayak. The SE370 packs down to fit in a storage bag and has cargo space for camping gear and other supplies. It is perfect for paddling, fishing, yacht tending, or skin diving. Its pros are: it has high-quality air valves, it has a complete set of accessories in its kit, and it is durable. However, its tracking performance is not that good. The Sea Eagle 370 Pro is a solid all-rounder with a nice balance between quality, stability, and performance. Both amateurs and professionals can use it. The second product on our list is the Intex Explorer K2. The Intex Explorer K2 kayak is sporty and fun with a streamlined build for easy paddling. It has a bright yellow color and sporty graphics designed for your safety as it makes the kayak highly visible in the water. Ideal for lakes and mild rivers, this inflatable kayak is perfect for 2 adults with a combined weight of 400 pounds. The lightweight and compact nature of this kayak makes it easy to carry about without any hassle. The seats are inflatable and adjustable with a backrest and cockpit design for comfort and space. Made with heavy-duty puncture-resistant vinyl, this sturdy kayak has an inflatable I-beam floor for comfort and rigidity. It also has a removable skeg that provides directional stability, 3 air chambers, and a Boston valve on each side for quick and easy inflation and deflation. Moreover, it comes with a grab line and a grab handle at each end for your convenience. The Intex Explorer K2 kayak comes with added accessories, including 2 86-inch aluminum paddles, an Intex high-output pump for easy inflation and deflation, and a repair patch kit. Also, this NMMA certified product provides you with a US Coast Guard ID. Its pros are: it is lightweight and easy to store, it is fully equipped, and it has safety features in place. However, the cons are: the fin on the bottom needs to be secured to the boat, and its grab line mounts need to be more robust. Intex Explorer K2 kayak has sporty good looks and an affordable price. This inflatable kayak has everything you need to make your adventure fun. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top inflatable kayak is the Advanced Elements Strait Edge. This inflatable kayak is made out of puncture-resistant, heavy-duty PVC tarpaulin material and has a patented aluminum rib frame. These materials enhance its durability and provide extra safety for you. The Advanced Elements Strait Edge kayak is a sit-on-top inflatable fishing kayak designed for anglers. While most self-bailing inflatable kayaks are ideal for paddling whitewater, the Strait Edge kayak is the first inflatable to incorporate an aluminum bow and stern frame to improve tracking in open water conditions. When the chambers are inflated, the frame ribs press against the counter cover and form a high-performance bow and stern. This kayak features self-bailing ports that can be opened in rough conditions and closed in calm or cold conditions. It has a padded seat with breathable foam mesh back support that can guarantee your comfort and ease during those long hours of adventure. It also has 5 air chambers for extra durability, thigh strap compatible D-rings, and a bungee deck lacing for extra storage. Its wide beams provide extra stability, and it has a spring valve and an integrated pressure relief valve on the floor. This inflatable kayak is ideal for a single person with a maximum weight of 300 pounds. The package comes with a repair kit, duffel bag, folding seat, owner's manual, and rod holders. Its pros are: it is easy to assemble, it is very comfortable to paddle, and it is durable and compact. However, the cons are: it is heavy, and it is only for one person. Advanced Element Strait Edge is a sporty and unique inflatable kayak. It provides you with the convenience and portability of an inflatable kayak and a hardshell kayak's performance and handling capability. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.